Today we are going to be frying up some eggplant for eggplant parmesan. So the first step is pour yourself a glass of wine. Cheers! The next step is I sliced my eggplants and I peeled my eggplants and I thinly sliced them, and then I layered them on a baking sheet with paper towels and I salted them. I let them sit for about 30 minutes and then I rinsed each one off, fresh paper towels, and then dried them as best as possible, probably for about another hour, okay? Next step. Okay, so now here I have my flour seasoned, 3 eggs scrambled. I added a dash of chicken broth just to loosen up the eggs a little bit so they don't clump and get real thick on the eggplant, and then panko breadcrumbs seasoned, okay? So you take one of these dry, thin, flimsy eggplant, coat them in your flour, shake it off, coat them in your egg, shake off the excess into the panko, and I just kind of throw it over and then toss it. And then you just lay it on a rack or a plate and just keep going. I got a lot of work. I'll be back. Flour.
I know. Just don't ask me. I know what to do.
Shake it.
I know. Don't tell it. No, I don't. Go just.
Coat it like this.
I know.
Yeah. Push it down. Flip it.
Okay.
Push it down. Shake it off.
Ooh, this stuff here.
Now we have our delicious eggplant ready to be fried.
No, wait, we got more. Mom.
Use this contact. I believe I almost forgot to show you the most important part. So you take your fried eggplant, you do a layer of sauce, then you do a layer of eggplant, then you do another layer of sauce and cheese, and now we're on to the next layer of eggplant. So now we're gonna do the sauce. Jocelyn.
With sauce. You see that?
Okay.
I thought I heard the ice cream.
Okay, we're cooking. We're doing a video, we're cooking.
Bear.
See, here's the ice cream truck. So we're gonna do a layer of sauce. And this is our last layer of sauce. And then mozzarella cheese. Okay, now I'm gonna pop this in the oven. I do 365 until it looks done and bubbly.